There you go. Uh-oh. Oh, hey, we got a good one. Whoa. Unless you got your drag set really late. Oh, that's a decent one. Boom. Oh. Something whacked me. You got one hook in the mouth, and there you go. Yeah. Oh, you gotta be fucking. What happened there? Something whacked me. Fucked up. I still got him. No shit. There you go. A little smaller. You gotta be kidding me. This reel is going downhill. What the hell's going on? I don't know how I kept this fish, but I did. All my reels being ridiculous. Oh my god. I think my reel's done being stupid. Nice little chunker. Yeah, wonderful. Goodbye. There you go, that's 3. There you go, got another. Boom. He's cleaning up in the back of the boat. Another one. First cat, look at that. On the micro light trout rod. I'm gonna get him out of the water. There you go. There we go. We're on a roll now. They're not big, but we're gonna take them on a freaking shit wind day like this. Now we're gonna go blowing right in there. Back it up. Throw right in there. See if we can get another one. Oh, there he is. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm on a roll. Son, I tell you, son. Absolutely huge, but, you know, I don't want to catch him too big. There we go. We got a double now. In the back of the boat there. Get the little guy up. Oh, they're just loaded. I mean, 5-pounders every cast. I don't know if I can handle it. Let's see what we can do here. By channel marker 76 there. Tis the season to catch largemouth bass and smallmouth bass. Another bass. And apparently rock bass, because we caught one of those today. There we go, that's what we're looking for there. Oh, look at that size of that one. Houston, we have a fish. I know, it's still just screaming out. You're good. Huge 13, 14 incher. Fish train. Oh, this one's huge. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the biggest one of the day. Oh yeah. I just won. Woo. Saber-tooth. Oh, that one's bigger. Oh gosh. I don't know if I can handle this one after that one. I think this one could eat that one. Oh yeah, that's the one we're looking for. Oh, this man.
Double header.
Maybe he'll jump out and get it. That's the one we were looking for, boys and girls, children of all ages.
Not bad looking.
I think that one's closing closer to 5, but not quite there. That's the one we've been looking for. Right there. Like a chrome. Sexy chrome. I'm going to call it sexy chrome.
Sexy chrome. Yeah.
That's what I'm going to call it. Come on, where's the 5 pounder? Hoping that was a fish. It is a fish. No shit. Oh, it came off. Oh, God, I quit. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, that was a big one. I'm not talking about my pants either. That was a big one. Oh, dick balls and other things that I can't say on a family show. Damn it. Fuck. Cock. Sucker. I didn't think it was a fish.
That was a rock.
I thought it was. I thought it ran right into a rock. And all of a sudden, it starts veering off. Shit balls. Ah! Okay, I'm better now. Next fish, please. Oh, that was a pig. That was a moose. That was a hog. That was a bucket now. I fit my whole head in that one. Whoo! Hot damn. Oh, that one is definitely not as big. But it's a fish and I'll take it. Thank you for the, I guess the, whatever, the make me feel better bite. You little peckerhead. Damn it. Go tell your mommy I'll be back in like 4 or 5 days. Because I need to catch her. French the llama. There you go. Ooh, that's a good one. That looks beauty. That looks like a smallie at first, but I think it's a large. It is a smallie. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Ooh, tail dancing.
That made me happy. The jump was happy.
That's a good smallie. Let me net that one higher. Oh! Turd burglars! I told ya. Oh, now that makes me think mine was a smallie. And if mine was a smallie, it was 6 fucking pounds. I'm telling you that right now. Oh, that was a 4-pound smallie, ladies and gentlemen. Now you know how I feel. I didn't even see mine. Oh.
That was hurtful.
That is just, God damn it. We should just apologize to anyone who watches this video for our failure on those 2 fish. Oh, you just did. Just did. It just happened. Oh, nice fucking backwards cast. I'm all screwed up now. Oh my God. Oh, that was a little too far.
That was a pretty fucking good skip.
I skipped that one about all the way behind the tree instead of halfway behind the tree.
That's skillful right there.
Yeah. Oh, you locked me up in that tree. You fucking prick!
You have him?
I had him, but then he went directly into the tree and said, "See you later, bye." God damn it. Going back to the crank bop sag. Oh, what a beautiful day, today, today. There's a little Smalley, there's a little Smalley. Woo! What you doing, son? Cheese and crackers. That's what it was. You ate the cheese and crackers, they don't like you no more.
That was Eric's game right there. He's like, fuck Chris. Make it smell too.
Fish don't like the jalapenos.
Jalapeno on it. That's why mine had a red eye.
I don't know what happened. I just, I cast it out, I reel, and poof, I get sad. I hear zizzing. The flipping, flopping, largemouth. Catching fish. How about one over here in a little old pond there, and the big old fish. Oh, I felt the bite. I felt the bite. Houston, Houston, we got a fish. That old two and a quarter pounder. This drag, because I'm gonna get a hog on this one, and it's gonna freaking break me off. Beauty, beauty, beauty. There he is, a 4-3 Smalley, Lake Champlain, baby. Beauty. Crooked. So very crooked that one was. Oh man, I might have the biggest one of the day here. Not really, but it's fighting a little bit, fighting a little bit. Oh, hey, I think we got about a 4 pounder here. Oh, maybe. I think I got a tank. We got a moose.
Moose tank.
Got a moose tank.
Moose tank.
Got a moose tank. Lightly hooked. Lightly hooked. Gonna need some business.
There's a moose tank.
Oh,
It's a guppy.
it's a guppy. That's not a guppy.
Falls through your damn boat. Don't put a hole in the boat.
That is called a gut on that fish. Oh my word. That is a gut. Woo! Oh, he's not quite gonna take it. 4.
Come on. Come on.
12. 4 pounds. 12. Lucky in the middle. I like to get lucky in the middle. Not in the water though. Hide pickle. Wallpaper in the closet. Percy in the playpen. 20 toes. Heels to Jesus. Oh. Oh. Maybe this is the one. Oh, no, he's not that big. He's a good one. He's a good one, but he's not that big. Oh, I gotta make sure I drive that hook home, son. Son. Oh, flip him up here in the boat, son. Once they get past 3 pounds, you can't flip them in the boat no more. That one, 2 1/3. Flip right in the boat with that 12-pound fluorocarbon. Fluorocarbon. Didn't get to throw a worm in that little rock crotch there before. That's where he was.
Rock crotch got some stones.
A little stick above it, you know. That's where the fish like to hang out, on a rock crotch. Oh, it came off! Oh, God, I quit. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, that was a big one. I'm not talking about my pants either. That was a big one. Oh, dick balls and other things that I can't say on a family show. Damn it! Whatever. Wow, that's a big fish. Yeah, I hope so. It's not. It's awful fucking. No, this is a big fish. It's gonna be a minute. Holy shnikes. I don't even know what this is. It's gotta be a catfish or something. Wow, it won't even come up hardly. It's just swimming. That's all it's doing is just swimming. Oh, this is the same exact spot I hooked that up. Look at this. It won't even come up. Look at it. Look at it just go. It won't move it, dude. I can't fucking move this thing.
Come on, dude.
Holy shit, look at it. Oh my god. Dude, I can't move the fish. This is crazy. Oh, he's coming. Nope, he's not. I hope I don't run out of memory card space. Holy shit. It's gotta be a sheep's head or a catfish. I'm getting as far away from this fucking shoreline as I can. Oh my god. It's gotta be a sheep's head. Or a catfish. Giant catfish. Yeah. Oh yeah, fucking stupid. Chase it. I gotta fucking chase it, dude. I can't move it. I can't move the fish at all. Look at it. 12. Can you fucking put this on your back, dude? Whoa, I still got life in it. Got a big something. Will not come off the bottom. Oh my god. Getting any playroom? There you go. Whatever, man. It'll take you some time, but you'll get her up there. Just make sure you play that drag. I don't care what it is, this is fucking awesome. It's worth it. I'm going over here. It's like sea fishing right here. Ooh, shit. Get down here. See, don't you wish you had braid right now?
Fighting a big fish right now, so I'm not going to go.
You gotta land it, Jerry. You gotta land it.
I'll give you a call back later.
Dude, I'm trying.
Alright, bye.
You better hope he doesn't get a burst of energy and fucking take off. As soon as you get him to the top, I got net it. I'll tell you that much.
That pole there, it's kind of slight, you know. There you go.
No. This way. This way.
I wish it was warmer out, dude. I'd swim down that line and grab a hold of the fish. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, try to pull his ass up. He won't do it. Every time I do, he just fucking takes up.
You get like a fucking sturgeon.
Oh, I hit the carp in the back.
Oh shit! That thing is fucking huge.
Dude.
Oh my
I
god.
snagged it. I was throwing a crankbait. Alright, you ready? He's gonna be up.
I can see some color there. Now that I know it's not oh my god. Dude, it's fucking great. I've never caught a carp before. Yeah,
You're gonna fucking stupid hook.
I don't care, dude. Probably the same friggin' one from before.
maybe you'll, yeah.
dude. You don't want to snap it up.
Oh, I can
There you go.
stop. Just free the hooks that come out. All right. Ready. Oh, beautiful.
Oh my God. Yes! That's a carp! Oh shit!
Right in the dorsal fin, dude.
Don't you call it names?
No, that's where I hooked him. Holy shit.
Oh my God!
Oh.
I gotta get a good picture of that one. Bonkers, dude.
Oh.
Ready?
Hey, hold on. I want to get a picture of this shit too.
Old carp.
I'm gonna take a few.
Get a hold lengthwise too, just so you can see like the mass of this thing.
Ugh.
Save that picture.
Come on, one more.
That's
Do
the
that
way. I don't care if I catch another fish all day. That's the way it goes right there.
Jesus Christ. Dude, he's got chunk on him.
Hardcore chew. Oh.
I don't think it's gonna be able to measure how
Well,
big
say
it is.
something fucked up his gill plate,
Yeah,
dude.
well, let's go.
Oh, you ripped it.
Yeah, I picked him up.
Yeah, he's probably like 30 something pounds. Easily. 50. That's impressive, dude.